In this tutorial, I will guide you how to get Jellyfin on your smart TV. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, using a remote, just navigate to the App Store or Play Store. So here's the App Store. Just click OK on your remote. Now, once you open the Play Store or App Store, now go to the search bar. Now, I'm going to search for Jellyfin. So click J and then E. Now you can see Jellyfin already has been suggested on the related results. So I'll have to go to it, then just click on it. Now I'll have to select on install. So if I select here install, then Jellyfin for Android TV will start downloading. So wait for the download to finish. Once it finishes, just click open. And then you can enter the server address where you'll be able to access the content available on the Jellyfin server. So that's how you can get Jellyfin on your Android or smart TV.